Then we are going to use our local kettle over here, African Muwala's kettle.
It has been here for ages.
I feel like, come on, maybe try to show them. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see, but the basil plant, my other spice over here, it's very clean. You have to make sure it's very, very clean.
Yes. Never know get married to another woman.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking. So guys, today you might be wondering, why am I having such a background? Today I came to visit my friend African Muwala.
Hello everyone, This is African Muwala, the village content creator right from central Uganda. Kind if you don't know me, visit me.
Yeah, visit her channel. So today I'm going to be working with African Muwala in her village. You know, she's a village girl. So by the way, they might be asking, which village are we in? We're in Katabi village. Katabi Busambaga, but it is in Tebe. Yeah, so today I'm going to be working with her. Please be sure to subscribe to her channel. Team Harriet, you know how we do it. Okay, let's dig into the video. So African Muwala, where are we heading to right now?
So I'm going to teach her how to make a spiced tea with all the spices we've got in our kitchen garden. This is our kitchen garden, but then we have lots of gardens. You know, villages, we have different gardens. So the ones which are on large scale, they are in a different area. So this is a kitchen garden where we get an immediate harvest. So as it is immediate harvest, I want you to check how our spices and you taste the spice too. Yeah. So this is called cinnamon plant. We have different trees. This is the first tree. We are going to pick some leaves and we go to the other tree. Yeah. So you can pick any leaf. Like you can use pick two. We shall go to the other one and we pick another.
So I just plug it with its stem
with
like this.
And actually we prepare even these.
You prepare
these
also
stems as well.
Really?
They bring out a good smell.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how we do it, guys. Then we put it in our gathering basket.
That one is,
this one is
not yet. When it is green like this, it is always ready to be put as a spice. But then this one, and actually cinnamon, let me tell you the uses of cinnamon. So cinnamon, it has lots of variety of advantages. So cinnamon is used as a spice. It is a detoxifier. It is also extracted into perfume.
Oh,
yeah. If you've ever gotten that perfume that has that agent, that element of cinnamon, wow, you wouldn't go to another perfume.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why even the tea you're going to taste, it's really tasty. It will be tasty. Have you ever tasted any spice tea?
I don't feel like I've ever tasted cinnamon. I think it's going to be my first time. Maybe I tasted it, but without knowing. But now I'm going to prepare it with African Muwala traditionally. So
yeah. So let's go to another tree so that we can get another.
So this one's right now.
No, let's get to this one. Okay. So we don't want to get more to pluck on a lot of leaves on the other tree because it can easily dry up. So that's why we pick on different trees. I really prefer we put even this. Yeah? Yeah. So here is another. We call it omujaja. And actually cinnamon is called omudalasi in our local language. So I'm a Muganda from central Uganda. In case you don't know, I'm a Muganda from central Uganda. So and we use the main language in Uganda. So this is called basil plant, but then we call it omujaja in our native language. So this basil we can pluck as well.
So you guys, African Muwala knows a lot of central Uganda things, and you know your girl comes from Arua. So I'm also learning some things from her because she comes from central Uganda, and that's why I came to visit. I thought I can learn more and more because you never know, guys. I might end up marrying a man from central Uganda.
Oh yeah. You're most welcome.
So African Muwala, what next are we going to have?
No, we are going to have this another spice. It's called tangawizi, and it's called what? Ginger in English. So we're going to harvest it. It's only gotten from underground. And it's also smelling on this leaf, but then you have to harvest it. You have to learn how to harvest.
Sure.
But also you invite me in Arua.
Yes.
Never know get married to an Arua man.
If you're watching me and you're from West Nile, please drop your application for African Moala.
That's the only area I
so
want.
you have to dig like from the side like this, eh?
Yeah,
Or
from the side.
okay. I thought you just dig once and then you'll be rotating.
Yeah, because it grows in different places. So
Like this.
yeah.
Let me not dig your leg.
Yeah. If you give me your brother. Because who will take a person who is lame?
Okay.
You see?
If I'm trying to see it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are seeing it very well. The one
Now
here.
the other one is still there. You can see, eh? You can dig it up. Don't cut this one. This one is still growing.
Okay. Yeah. So this one can be enough.
Can be enough,
Poverty?
but yeah. But then let me get this one. Let me help you. You see, it was still growing. Yeah, this will be enough.
Okay.
So far we have like 3 spices. Now we go to another spice.
Yeah.
When you finish to harvest anything underground, you have to cover.
It again.
Yeah.
Okay.
When it rains, this thing is still grows, eh?
Okay.
And there's more. Yeah.
Actually, it smells good.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in love with the village for sure.
No, we get everything fresh. Yeah? We always get fresh.
Everything is organic.
So we go to another spice. Are you ready, guys? Let's go.
Come along with us.
This is a lemongrass. Our native language called it subi.
So this is how you pluck it, guys. Like this. African Moala. I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Yeah.
But I feel like this is how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like this.
Smells nice.
Yeah.
I can't wait to taste that tea for sure.
So these are the spices.
Okay, so guys, these are the spices. We have the lemongrass, which is one of our spices that we are going to be using today to prepare our African local tea.
Yes.
And then we have our omujaja. We have our second spice,
The
basil plant over here. And then we have our ginger right here. Ntangawizi. You call it ntangawizi. And then we have our cinnamon here.
Actually, I didn't take you to the coffee plant because the process is very. It would have been a long process because you can't just harvest and put in tea. They have to dry, then you pound them, whatever. So it didn't take you. Yeah, it didn't take you, but it's also a spice for our tea.
So guys, after harvesting our spices with African Moala, we are going to be preparing it in our African kitchen, local African kitchen. Come along with us. So in case you're wondering what I'm going to use to prepare it, this is our kettle. You guys, I don't want you to talk a lot because inside is very clean. There is water. I don't know if you can see it very well. Inside it is when it is very clean, but outside, what causes this the kettle to be black like this is because of the smoke that comes out of the firewood. And today I'm going to be using my stones over here and the firewood to prepare our tea locally. So please let me know what you think of this video in the comment section and enjoy this video. Okay, so I'm going to first wash my spices over here.
So when you're washing, there's the water for rinsing.
Okay. You have to make sure you don't cook them when they are dirty. So African Moa told me that you can also cook them with their stems.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
There's nothing is wrong.
Actually, the water was dirty, you know?
Yeah.
There was so
No,
dirty.
no, because we harvested the ginger from the ground. And the soil was okay. Let me get a mortar
Okay.
because we have to pound this ginger.
You have to make sure you clean it thoroughly like this so that it is very clean. You need to cook clean stuff, not dirty spices. That's why we have another water for washing it so that it can be clean. So I'm going to rinse it again. Is it rinsing or washing, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So I feel like now everything is clean. And tell from your water, I think you can tell that now my spices are ready to be cooked. So we are going to pound our ginger here. So this is our mortar that we are going to be using like this. I don't know if you guys are seeing it very well. I feel like it's dark, but I'll show you the end results.
Yeah. It's dark.
Today I'm in the village with your village girl, African Muala. What does Muala mean? Some people don't know what
Muala means a girl.
Wow.
Has it softened?
It's softening now. But this is the life of the village for sure.
Yeah.
If you come to the village and you don't know how to do what I'm doing right here, African Muala can teach you how to do each and everything.
You can send me even your children. I teach them everything. Preparing a girl for marriage. I do that so very well. Yeah. That's classic.
Okay guys, come and I show you the end results. I think now they are well pounded like that. That's how they're supposed to look like. So now this one is ready to be cooked.
Now let me tell you this, yeah. This one, where is the water? It's on. Okay, bring. Okay, now we are going to put these spices, the lemongrass and the cinnamon, at once with the ginger. But then this mujaja is put when the water is already boiled and this has boiled very well. Because if the mujaja is put at once, it can be like, it can taste like medicine. Oh. Yeah. So to bring out that taste, that smell, that aroma, we have to put it later.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's put and put on fire. Yeah.
Let me remove our ginger that we have just pounded. So this is how it looks like, guys. And then I'll be putting it in my kettle over here. Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah.
And then I think I can fold them.
Yeah.
Like this. And I also put them like that. Then cover.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Now you're going to blow.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's okay.
You use your mouth. You know that I invited someone here and she used the pipe to blow.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, she used that. So blow so that the fire can be.
So guys, I think you can see our fire is now blazing very well. So that means that it is now ready to be used. Then we are going to use our local kettle over here, African Muala's kettle.
It has been here for ages, even before my birth.
The first spices that we first put in are now ready. I don't know if you're going to see it very well because right now it's dark. It's not so clear. I would have showed you, but I feel like, come on, maybe try to show them. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think you guys can tell. So I'm going to add in
the basil plant.
The basil plant, my other spice over here. It's very clean. You have to make sure it's very, very clean. Hygiene is key.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add in this.
And it's going to boil for 1 minute.
It's going to boil for only 1 minute.
Yes.
We only want the aroma.
Yeah, the aroma.
Okay.
Yeah. If it is medicine, you can boil it for hours.
Oh, okay.
But if it's not medicine, it's still, you need that aroma.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's give it one to 2 minutes, and then we shall be showing you our tea. So guys, our tea is now ready. So I'm going to be serving it with my friend African Muala. So let me take it outside. because you're going to be drinking from outside.
So you don't ban me?
Say hello.
Hello.
So she's African Mwala's mom. So in Uganda, if you want to greet someone, you say Elade nyabo. So that is how they greet here in Uganda. So I think let's dig into this. Let me serve. You know, here in Uganda, what African Mwala told me that everything has to be respected, even the food, even the tea, everything has to be respected. So you have to kneel.
Yeah.
This is what I'm seeing. Hey guys, our tea. Wow.
It's really having a good.
It smells nice. Wow. And it's very hot.
So here we don't put any, even the tea leaves, tea bags, we don't use tea bags because it's already spiced.
Oh,
yeah.
So you just take it. I wanted to ask you, don't you put tea leaves and all that?
No, we take it like this. This is all spices. You're killing the spices.
Okay.
Using the tea bags.
Okay, that's something new. And if you're eating this every day, you're living a healthy life, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, it tastes very nice. Like you can feel every spice inside this tea.
Yeah.
I feel like the camera even is not doing any justice. I just wish you guys were
Let them
here.
see even from here.
Come and see our spices over here. What we used. See? That's what we used. So
and
let
this
me.
is how that tea looks like.
Yeah. Like this. Mami, shaya ulikata. Unataka? Alikata. Awo. Antitade musukari, eh? African Mwala, how is that tea?
And for me, I'm used. And you've prepared it in a unique way by the So it is really nice, and I'm used with these fresh things. Now for you, I think you're so surprised.
I'm surprised for sure because it's my first time preparing tea like this.
But you prepared it so very well.
Because I've been having a teacher over here. So you guys should just subscribe to African Mwala's channel. Okay, so guys, I think that was it.
Yeah.
I've really enjoyed this tea. It is really so nice and very organic.
Yeah.
I mean, African Mwala, any last words to my subscribers?
I really urge you guys to take these fresh things. They're really medicinal and they're interesting and they're very pleasant to take. So that really the smell I can't tell because the camera can't bring out the smell. But you people, it's having a good aromatic smell. Let me tell you this. So let's continue with our tea.
We shall catch you in the next one. We love you.
We love you so very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.